What's up guys, it's Winstoney here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a homemade hair mask. A hair mask is pretty much a deep conditioner for your hair that gives many great benefits, such as increasing the moisture in your hair, preventing hair breakage and frizz. Hair masks also help to make your hair soft and shiny, and the hair mask I'll be showing you guys how to make today will be the avocado hair mask. The ingredients I'll be using for this mask are an avocado, coconut milk, honey, coconut oil, argan oil, and avocado oil. Alright, so now I'll demonstrate the process. So like I said previously, the ingredients I'll be using for this hair mask today will be argan oil, honey, coconut oil, avocado oil, coconut milk, and avocados. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut the avocado. Now some of the benefits to avocado for a hair mask is that it seeps into your hair and helps with hair growth. It also reduces dandruff, dryness, and itching to your scalp. Avocado also brings shine and softness to your hair. For my hair mask, I'll be mixing the food ingredients with a blender, but if you don't have a blender, you can always just mix it with a spoon or a hand mixer. One thing to note is that it's very important to get the avocado as mixed down as possible because you don't want to get little chunks of avocado stuck in your hair. It will be very difficult to get out. Next, you're going to want to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. It's important that you use raw, unfiltered honey. Honey helps to retain moisture in your hair, and it also helps to reduce frizz, which is great for defining curls. With so many ingredients they put in regular honey, you don't want all that in your hair, so make sure it's raw and unfiltered. Next, we're going to add some coconut milk to it. Now, coconut milk, like the other ingredients, helps to restore damaged hair and also promotes hair growth. Coconut milk can also be used as a leave-in conditioner. I didn't use a specific measurement when I added the coconut milk. I kind of just kept adding until it looked like it was enough to cover all of my hair. Now I'm going to blend all those ingredients together. Next, I'm going to pour the hair mask into a container and add 3 to 5 tablespoons of the avocado oil, coconut oil, and argan oil and mix them together with a spoon. Now the mask is ready to be put in your hair. Before applying the mask, I started off by combing out my hair and separating it into 4 sections so that I can thoroughly get it into all of my hair. Apply the mask one section at a time if you have longer hair. If you have shorter hair, you can go ahead and skip the sectioning off part and just apply it directly to your hair. Next, I'm going to put a shower cap on and allow the mask to sit in my hair for about 30 minutes to give the ingredients time to work through my hair. After 30 minutes, I'm going to wash the mask out with Shea Moisture's Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the result after my hair was about 90% dry. My hair felt soft and looked shinier from the oils. I definitely recommend a hair mask if you want stronger and healthier hair. You can use a hair mask on your hair about once a week and you'll definitely notice your hair getting longer. That's it for this video guys. All the ingredients I used will be in the description below. Let me know what other tutorials you guys want to see me make, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next Sunday at 6.